성우 said you like me. Me? Me? I like you? Yes. In Korean, I and me share the same words. I'll cover them in this video. The basic word for I or me in Korean is 나. You use 나 when you're talking informally, like with friends or people of the same age. For example, if you're confessing to a friend, you might say 나는 귀여운 스타일을 좋아해. It means I like cute styles. But when you're in a formal situation or speaking respectfully, especially to someone older or in a higher position, you use 저 instead of 나. For example, 저는 어제 넷플릭스를 3시간 동안 봤어요. This translates to I watched Netflix for 3 hours yesterday. It's important to choose the right word depending on whom you're talking to because using 나 instead of 저 in a formal setting can seem rude. Also, you may want to emphasize yourself in a sentence like saying me too or I also think so. You can do that by adding 도 after 나 or 저. For instance, if someone says they like Korean movies, you can respond 저도 좋아해요. Meaning, me too. That's all for today. 다음에 만나요.